Oke, bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi
Hello everyone. Standing in front of you all today, I would like to do a tutorial about how to make a name card application or digital name card using Codular. Now I think without further ado, let's just get into the tutorial. So first, here you can see this is the Codular Creator page where you can see all of your project that you have made. For example, this is some of my project like Talk to Me, Radio Online, and Find My Age. How to make a new app is that you can click here, create project, just click it, and then give your project name. So for this project name, you cannot use space or a point, but to for this name you have for space you can replace it with underscore. For example, I'm going to give it a name card. As you can see, there is a warning where it says project names cannot contain space. So I just replace it with underscore name card. Nah, name card. Then you can click next. And then here you need to put again the app name. So this is the real app name before that is for the name of the file. Here you can use anything, like for example you can use space and then icons and then all of that. So I'm just going to name it name card name card tutorial. Nah, and then for the theme you can just set it to default first, and then for package name you just use your name. For example, Alvan Ataya Fadila, because this package name is not really important for now, and then you can just, as you can see, use your full name, and then just leave the rest, and then if you are finished you can click here finish and just wait for the Codular. And here it is. Here you are in the editor, and then here you can add components, and then codes, and all of the stuff. So first I'm going to make the loading screen. So for the loading screen you can go to the left side. So here in the left side there is like a bar where you can add components. First, for the loading screen, you need to search for Lottie animation or just Lottie, and then you just drag it to the phone screen. And in the phone screen, the Lottie is on the top left side. But if you want it to be on the middle, just click the screen component here, and then uh, on the right side there is the setting for off component. So here I'm clicking the screen one component. This is to set the screen, and then there is setting line horizontal and line vertical. So this is to set when you add an object to the screen where the object will appear. For example, as you can see here, for line horizontal there is left. That's why the Lottie object or element is on the left, and then line vertical top. That is why the Lottie element is on the top left side of the screen. To make it on the center, just change it to center, line horizontal center, and line vertical center. Nah, and now the Lottie element is on the middle or the center. For and then next we go to Lottie, and then for the height just uh, change it to 100 pixel, and the width also 100 pixel, so it is a complete square like that. And then for the animation you can change it. For here you can upload many assets like photos and videos, but for the loading animation you can use one type of file, and that is JSON. For the animation you can search it here, iconscout.com, that is the name of the website, and then you can search loading screen here. As you can see in this website there are the icons, loading animation, vector illustrations. Then yeah, and try to search loading, and then there will be many animations for loading. Okay, next here you also need to add a timer. Oh yeah, timer. Oh, or clock to set how long the loading animation will appear. That if you have download a loading animation from Icon Scout, you can what upload it to Assets Manager. For example, I have downloaded a loading animation. Nah, this one, just click it, and then it will be uploaded to the Assets Manager. Good. And then to change it, here on the right bar, go to source, and then if you have uploaded it, just click it, and then it will appear loading one.json. That is how. And then I will move first to the second screen or the main screen, and to add another screen, here on the top there is an option to add screen. Just click it and then give it name. For example, this is I want to make a main screen or a home screen, so I will name it main. Then just click create. Nah, and then it will move you to another screen, a blank screen. So here first I'm going to change the background color for here on the right side, on the right bar for the screen, and then for background color I will make it gray. You can set manual for the color here, or you can use default colors, the ones that already is there provided by the Codular, and then just click set. Next here you add a card uh, card view to the screen. As you can see, like before, the card view appear on the top left side of the screen. So you need to setting it as before. Go to your screen, and then on the right bar, change the align horizontal and align vertical to center. Nah, now it is on the center, but the name card is too small, so you need to change the size. You can change the size to change the size. You can go to card view, and then like before you can set it on the right bar. For the height, maybe I will choose 100. Not 100. 50%. 50% and with 50%. Or if you want bigger or wider, just change it to 70, or it depends on you. Height. Nah, after this, as you can see, the card view become bigger. Next, you want to add an image to the card view, and then just search here on the element or object image. Nah, but here in the card view, just like all like the screen, the elements appear on the top left side of the screen. So you need to set it again on the right bar. Here, set it to center and then center if you want to like this. But for me, for the vertical side, I will just put it into the top. To add your image, you need to upload it again to Assets Manager. For example, if you have any image, so I'm just going to add an image. For example, just this one. And then after that, you can choose the image. Here you can see Windows XP 11. Wait. Nah, and it will appear. But you need to set the height and width again. For example, I'm just going to set it to 20 pixel and width 20 pixel. Nah, 100, 100. Nah, for the width, I set it to fill parent, which means it will fit or fill all of the space that is possible in the element. And the height I use 100 pixel. Next, you can add space. Space is to add a space between elements. For the height, I will just make it one pixel or two pixel. And then next, to add a text, you can search label in the left bar. Label. Okay. And then to set or manage the label, just like another element, you can go to the right side of the screen and there is the bar. Can change the text here. For example, your name. Nah, then you can also setting it like if you want it to be bold or italic, and the size of the text and other thing. Then next you can add another space. For the height, just change it to same 2 pixels, and then add another label for your birthday. Here, just to it here, and then change the text to your birthday. For example, 10 October 2010. Nah, for the width, just change it to fill parent, so it will become wider or bigger. Nah, text alignment, just change it to center, so it will be on the middle. Next, add another space, and then you change the height to like before, 2 pixel. And then after this, you can add your achievements. But achievements, the better way is that you can add first horizontal arrangement. For the width, just change it to fill parent. To change it to fill parent, just click this one here. This. Nah, and then you can add an icon. Yes, wait. You can add a vertical arrangement. So what is a vertical arrangement or horizontal arrangement? So this is an element where if you put an element in it, it will become horizontal or vertical. So why do I put vertical arrangement here? Because I also want to add an icon. For example, you want to add your achievements or how many competitions that you won. You can just search here. For the icon, you can search in faticon.com, and there are many icons. For example, I'm just going to search achievements. As you can see, there are many icons. and you can download it from here. You can click it any element and then trophy free icon, just click download here, free download. You want to save to your file folder, and then you can again upload the file to Modular Asset Manager here, and then here you can add an image, and then click the assets that you have uploaded, and then just change it to 100 pixel on 100 pixel. Wait, maybe smaller, around 30, and then with 30. Then you can add another space first. Wait, nah, change it to not wait, this. The width just change to automatic, but the height make it 2 pixel. And then you can add another label to show how many achievements that you have got. And then text change it to maybe, for example, if you have 20 achievements, just type 20. Then this change it to center, and change it center also. Text alignment change to center. Wait, nah, this change to center. Nah, so this is the basics that you need to know to make a name card. Later you can customize it as you want and with your own information. Okay, I think that's all from me. Thank you all for watching and paying attention. And the last I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.